Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project potentiometer fan. So let's see how it works. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the potentiometer, then negative of the potentiometer to the ground, then output of the potentiometer to the positive of the motor, then negative of the motor to the ground. Now, let's see if we can control the speed of this fan by twisting the potentiometer. And this is how it works.